Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sri Saraswati and usually people call me Devi, and today we're back with another screen of mine in this project where it's a video kajian. So I'll just go ahead and directly explain the codes. So first of all, we're just going to start off with dashboard screen, of course, and like the usual, we just need gesture detector and then tap, and then have a navigator, a dot push name, context, video kajian for it to work and can click on the asset. So yeah, and then to run this, we need to go to main dart. We need to go to main dart and put this in root. Video kajian context video kajian screen, which is the screen that we already made over here. So yeah, I'll just directly explain this. So this is the app bar. If you guys don't know what's an app bar, well, it's an app bar of every single thing. You guys guessed it. It's this. I don't know if you guys can see. Yes, I use my phone again because my monitor cannot, and it needs something to be seen. So yeah, if you guys don't know, this is the app bar again. Whoops. I just did a spoiler. Anyway, so yeah, it's basically the same like everything else, except we're just going to change the title to be Video Kajian, and and yeah, that's basically it. And now for the body, we're just going to use list view.builder and use item count videos length and item builder context and index, and also return the gesture detector. And also, guys, we have like something similar to the ad screen, which is like a data. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys the data over here. It's something like this. This is the list, the map string videos. This is the variable, uh, with the variable of videos. So yeah, there's like some like few videos over here, and with a thumbnail, count, and the ustad title and the URL, and also the description of the video. So yeah, that's basically what this video item count video length is. Videos dot length is, and then in navigator dot push. Basically, if you guys just press the back one again, I'm just gonna go to contacts and material page road. Yay! And builder, it's gonna be a context where there's detailed video kajian screen, which is this one. I will go there later, and then there will be this. I will go back here later after I explain this one. So yeah, we're just gonna skip this for now. And then below this yellow close scrolly close thing is a child, which is a card, and another child, which is a column, and then it's a cross-axis alignment, which is the cross-axis alignment would supposed to be start. So it's just going to be like in here, not like in the middle or the left side or something. It's just going to be in the here like that. I don't know if you guys can see it. So yeah, maybe I'll show you guys. It's like something over here. So yeah. Oh wait, no wait. It starts. So I don't know my left and right. So it's basically over here if I remember. So yeah. Then there's going to be children, and it's going to have stats because we have a lot of videos. Not really a lot, but like a few videos. And there's going to be another children. There's going to be aspect ratio because the video of it is just 16 uh, by 9, the aspect ratio, and then the child is going to be have image dot assets, and then oops, the videos is going to be index, and there's thumbnail. Of course, there's going to be thumbnail in here. Like I said, there's the thumbnail up there, and then the fit is going to be the box fit dot cover. And then below aspect ratio, there's gonna be a position where every position, like bottom, right, top, left, is going to be zero, all of them. And then the child below left is just an icon where we can pull. It's a circle. It's like that. It's a play button with the color primary of the usual orange color that we use. And the size is going to be 60. And then below stacks, there's going to be a padding where um, below wait, the padding is going to be etched into geometry all, and it's going to and the value is going to be 8.0, and then child, the text, the videos, of course, index, account, and then just use this because it's true. There's the data for that. And then the style, of course, is textile, and then font size is 14, colors is gray, and then font family is just Poppins regular. And then this is for the Ustad one where we use the padding of the symmetric. Before it's just all, and now it's symmetric, where the horizontal is just 8.0, and then the font size is 16, and the color primary, the usual orange color, and then also the Poppins. Sorry, the font is going to be for Poppins medium, and then below that is the title, where again it's etched inside geometry symmetry for the padding, and the horizontal it's horizontal 8.0 for the value, and the textile. By the way, this is for the title. So yeah, and for the textile, it's going to be 18, and the color is going to be black, and it's going to be the font is going to be Poppin semi bold. So yeah, we'll just go ahead and go to the detailed video Kajian screen. So first, we will need the final string of URL, account, start, title, and description. And of course, we need to record this dot the URL, account, start, title, and description, of course. And yeah, by the way, this is stateful. Before it was stateless. Yeah, so before it was stateless, and now it's stateful because we're going to play video. Of course, we're going to use a controller. Spoiler, I guess. Anyways, so this is a controller. We're gonna make a YouTube player controller. By the way, we need this from the PubSpec YAML. So we go to PubSpec YAML and go to terminal, and basically just type in flutter pub add YouTube underscore player underscore flutter, and we'll add this. And also we need this too. So we also need flutter underscore yeah sorry flutter pub add chewy. So yeah, we need both of them to for this project. So yeah. So after you're done with your PubSpec YAML, you'll need the YouTube player controller, and then we're just going to use this as uh, our, our yeah. And then it's basically just for controlling our videos like play, pause, stop, and others based on the comments in here. And then in here, we're gonna insert the function where the screen detail, if the screen detail is of the video of the Kajian is open, then the control will be also running. So yeah. So and for in state, total again super dot in state, the controller it will YouTube player controller, and the initial video ID is going uh, is going to be YouTube player dot convert URL to ID, and widget URL. The URL is from the video data, and then the flags is basically just going to be YouTube player flags. Autoplay is going to be true, and mute is not going to be is going to be false because we don't want it to be mute. We just want it to have sound, and it's going to be autoplay too. And this is it to minimize memory or if it's too much RAM. So yeah, we're just gonna void dispose and another todo and super dot dispose and controller dot dispose. So yeah, basically that. And then we're just going to have a scaffold. But don't forget to make that a scaffold. We're gonna add another app bar, except this time we're going to change the video kajian. We're just gonna add another title like detailed video kajian. So yeah, and yada yada. You guys already know this. And the body is gonna be a single child uh, scroll view, and the child is a column, and the cross-axis alignment is gonna be start, and children is going to be a YouTube player where there's the controller. With the controller, we already set before, and then the show video progress indicator where the progress bar is going to be true, and then the progress indicator color is going to be amber. This color, it's kind of yellow. Yeah, it's going to be a yellow color. And if unready, then the controller will add dot add listener and will set state. And then this is just for like another padding. You're gonna pad. You're just gonna add the padding of cons edge inset all of 8.0, and the child's gonna be text, and then the text it's gonna be widget account. So yeah, the account of the video. Then the style and then textile, font size 14, color is gray, and puppets regular. Yay, the font. And the next is gonna be the Ustad. Basically, it's the same except for the padding. Basically, it's just going to be edge into symmetric of horizontal 8, and the widget is going to be Ustad. And the font size is going to be 16, and the color is going to be black, and the font is going to be Poppins Medium. And then next is for the title, where it's the same as the Ustad one. We use symmetric as well, and it's going to be point 8 as well. And it's gonna be, and the widget is title, and then the font size is 18, and the color is still black, and the font family is Poppins Symbol. Yay! And next, but not last but not least, it's going to be the description. So the padding, we're just going to use edges at all of 8.0, and the widget is going to be description, of course, like I said. And then in here we're going to use cons textile, because don't realize that the others don't have any um, cons in there. And then uh, the font size is going to be 16, and the color is black, and it's going to be Poppins regular. Now I'll show you guys what it looks like. So um, this is what I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is what it looks like. So this is the first video, the second video, the third, the fourth, and the last video, the fifth one. I'll just go and click a random video, maybe this one, and look, it's going to be autoplay, and this description, and this is those are talking. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Wait. Waktu Nabi melihat ada seorang pakai baju yang lusuh, maka Nabi bertanya. Yes, so it's not going to mute or anything. It's just going to autoplay and make the sound. And also look, it's detailed video kajian now. What if? What if I press this one? This description, and this is the video. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Berada di bawah naungan, maka jangan pernah engkau mengucapkan kalimat. That's basically it for my explanation and demo video of my video kajian screen. I'm sorry if there's any mistakes or I'm not that. Whoops. Um, or if there's nothing, not that my voice is not that clear, I'm sorry again. So yeah, maybe that's all from me. I'm sorry again, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.